So yeah, if you are new, welcome. I am Liz and I am excited to film a makeup video. Actually, haven't done it in a while. I've been doing a lot of shorts, and on my Instagram, if you go on there, I post more too. So in this treasure bag, I have a bunch of makeup, a bunch of makeup that I bought, a bunch of makeup that I have received, so a bit of both. And yeah, I'm very excited because I got this on a discount as well. But I actually haven't owned one of her brushes. I love her lashes, but I haven't owned anything like from her, like makeup brushes like that. We have an Ofra eyeshadow. Sorry, this is the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It Putty Primer. I have the RealHer Playbook palette. Actually have not used this one. I had it for a long time, but I haven't used it. It's blush, and it's vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, and this is the BDB. This is the $1 billion beauty. This is a new brand in Target, and it's basically these little palettes, little composable palettes, and then you can just make your own Z palette or just make your own palette. And you can, they sell the little palette book too to make your own, or you can just buy it individual. So I'm excited to use this brand because I've been seeing it and I like just been wanting to try it. I'm excited for all these products. I think this is actually the full coverage satined hydrating camel concealer from e.l.f. I have the matte ones, the original ones. Those were like matte, very drying, but I want to try the hydrating one because I do have very dry skin, and especially my under eyes, they crease a lot. They're horrible. And then I have a new HD Lift concealer, but I'm not gonna use this one because I still have my other HD concealer, so I'm probably just gonna use this one for now. I have two e.l.f. foundations. This is the new dewy one, and this is the regular kind of matte finish, but still kind of dewy. But this is supposed to be very dewy, very hydrating to your skin, so I'm excited to try this one. And I went ahead and I purchased one of my old ones as well because I love this foundation. It's the best drugstore foundation I have actually found. I actually got this one. I didn't buy this one. This is the Beauty Blender Biopure. So it's the green blue beauty blender, the green one. This is the Wet n Wild 3-in-1 cucumber setting spray, primer, water, prep, set, refresh. So it's 3-in-1, so amazing. Colorful, very colorful eyeliner. Perfect Precision lip liner from these are, I believe, okay, these are all from Alley Girl. So yeah, so I actually filmed an actual YouTube video. I think I've been filming a lot of reels, a lot of Instagram videos, a lot of shorts uploading. So this is actually like officially one of my Physicians Formula Butter Believe It Pudding. So this is how it looks like. It looks very clean. I don't want to touch it because it looks so perfect. And yeah, you have to literally warm them up in your hand or on the palette. So I'm just warming it up. See, you can see it how it's literally melting. So it's gonna be like the first time I actually try this. Ooh, I love the scent. I'm not too much of a scent person anymore, but I really do like the scent. It's coconut. It smells like coconut.
Natural luxury velvet smooth pudding primer infused with exclusive butter blends to deliver radiant, soft, poreless complexion, including creamy, soft texture, prep skin, allowing to makeup glide smoothly all day wear.
And maybe it's not oily, maybe it's just like very hydrating, but I do Wet n Wild Dewy Lumix foundation. I'm gonna shake this baby up. I want to try the hydrating one, so let's try this foundation on. Well, it still kind of smells like paint. Shade Rose Ivory. So I'm pretty sure the coverage on these Wet n Wild foundations are like medium coverage, kind of sheer as well. So I do see some, but it's actually giving a good coverage compared to when I remember using this foundation. I haven't actually used the Wet n Wild foundation in a while, so I kind of like this. I think it's a little too light for me, but we'll darken it up. So ooh, really okay. I think this is kind of the putty, the primer, and the foundations kind of give me a glossy look, and I am kind of in for that right now. So I am actually pressing on the foundation. I'm not actually like moving it around. I'm pressing in the foundation. I'm gonna add a little bit of more foundation just because I kind of want a little bit more coverage. But I feel like that kind of did the look. I kind of don't see any more like redness or imperfections as much. But I'm just gonna go in with a little bit, just a little bit. Will do the job. I really like this foundation. I thought I wasn't going to like it, but I guess I can tell you a little bit. I have a podcast now. It's on this app called Spoon, so I will link it down below so you can all like go check it out. Go onto the app, and I really like the way people are in the app, so I decided to just do a podcast, and it was scary at the moment, but I really enjoy it now. I don't do it every day as I wish I would, but I really like it. So I'm actually gonna go in with the LA Colors Brow Wowie Brow Pencil. This is a pencil I've been using. Nothing new. I really don't like doing my eyebrows, so I was thinking of getting them microbladed at one point. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm not too sure yet. That's the life update on my life that I haven't actually like had a chance to come up on YouTube on my channel here and talk about it. But I have told the only person I've actually told is actually my sister, and I think today after this video I am going to start posting it on my social media. So I think it's a little bit more on who I am as a person. It's kind of more on my life journey side of my life, so it's not a lot of storytelling. Sometimes I'm probably gonna post up here now too, like the voice memos and all that stuff. I do voice memos on that app. It's not like a you can see me type of thing, so it's just a voice memo. But yeah, I've been doing that podcast and I have been really liking it. Is the e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer in the shade Fair Warm. So it actually feels better, way better than the other camo concealer, the original one, because this already feels a little more hydrating compared to the original formula. So I'm gonna go in with the sponge. I actually have not been using a sponge in a while too. I've been using a brush. Wow, I love the concealer. Really love the concealer. You can see my reaction. I think I like this one better than the camo concealer, the original camo concealer, because you can feel it right off the bat that it is hydrating. It's not drying right away in my face, and it's easily blending, and my skin is very dry, so I need all the hydration I can get on my skin. Love this concealer, love the coverage, love it. So whatever's left on the sponge, I just go ahead and put it on my lid, just to give it some coverage. Wow, my skin looks very hydrated. I just can't right now. The RealHer Playbook eyeshadow palette, and actually go to their page. They are more of a woman organization supporting other women with like needs, school education, scholarships, and all that palette. I've done some swatchings. I'm not gonna say I haven't, because I have done swatchings on this palette, but I haven't used it on my face. Driven for my base, so I'm just gonna go ahead, bring that purpley mahogany shade, kind of like a bright dark purple. These are kind of like winter colors. I didn't notice that, but it's okay. We'll try to make it work to seem like summery colors. So I'm just gonna bring this all the way in the corner here. Oh wow, this is really pigmented. I did. bit goes a long way with this product, so I'm just gonna go again. Just gonna pat this here, and then I'm gonna go in with the lip brush and diffuse it the same way. So I'm gonna go in with the shade. I don't know if I need to spray it, but I don't want to spray it because I feel like it's gonna be super pigmented too. So, ooh yeah, perfect. Love the shade. Limitless color shade right here. This beautiful shade. Shake up the thing, and I'm actually gonna spray it. Brush, because I always like to go in with the same foundation brush or concealer brush, whatever you have, and just go buffing it out a little just to make it seem a little put together. Well, people, super powder, brightening powder. So yeah, and this is in the shade Pearl, and this is such a beautiful powder too. So I'm just gonna set a little bit of the concealer just in case, and a little bit on the forehead. Love this powder too. It's been one of my favorites so far, so good. I recommend that. I'm gonna go ahead with the blush. It's so vibrant, it's so peachy, perfect for the summer, perfect for the spring. So I love the shade. It's very peachy. It's not gonna really go in with the look, but we'll try to work it. Really love it. It's very bright actually. I love it. And this is in the shade Passion. Love it. I'll even love the name Passion. That's been one of my words lately, passion. I don't know, it's just been a word that I've been into this past month, the word passion. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of brush. And now this is the Wet n Wild contour too. I've been doing this, I've been putting it on my nose a lot and on my forehead, just like, ooh. A little bit with this blush compound goes a long way, just saying, because I did put a lot there. So I'm just gonna go ahead with the sponge or with the brush. Usually with the brush, I just go in. I didn't use the brush. Probably for the next video I'll use it, so I forgot about the brush. Golden Rush eyeshadow from Ofra. So a little bit on the eyes then. Let me check, let me swap this. Oh yeah, it's gonna be an eyeshadow. I thought it was gonna be like, I thought it was a highlight, but it is an eyeshadow. You can tell right away. So I'm just probably gonna put this on the inner corners or kind of on the top of the lid right here. Oh wow. Pigmented too. Very sparkly, love it. Actually swatch this one. Wow, that is super pigmented. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm actually gonna go ahead and open the other two because why not? And this is in the shade metallic eyeliner in the shade Gold Medal, like I said. Let's swatch this one now. Oh, I kind of broke the. Wow, this is an wow. Ooh, love that shade too. Such a beautiful shade. It's kind of like complements the Ofra shade Dragon. So the shade Dragon. Also from LA Girls. Blue, aqua kind of. Oh, I don't know, but it's like a green teal color. You can't really see it here, but it's such a nice color. This is this color. Wow. Okay. Smells like cucumbers. Wow. Really in with the LA Girl Perfecting Precision Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Bear. Top it off with this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Seduction. Desi X Katie Dose of Colors Fuego highlight. The bigger is better mascara. I actually not a fan of this mascara. If anyone knows any good waterproof mascaras, let me know, because I've been in a search and a hunt for it too. So the Butter Believer Physician Formula primer pudding. I don't know if it's a pudding or it's a foundation or just a combo. It's just leaving my face looking very dewy, very hydrated. It looks like I've drank like I dunked my face into like a water and just hydrating so much. The coverage on this one is actually surprisingly great, but I think it also has to do with the concealer. The concealer, love it. It really just feels very hydrating. All the products I used, the combo was very just into like the great combination with it. So I think that's why my skin looks poreless. It looks like skin. It looks like I don't even have foundation on. I like it. I love it. I love the texture. At first I felt like, oh my god, it's really oily, but then I started to notice it's not oily, it's just hydrating. You just have to warm it up, but it's really good. I love it. There's like literally not a product that I didn't dislike. The eyeshadow palette, that was my mistake, but I really love the pigmentation of the eyeshadow palette. Really very pigmented, but I just wanted to go with like a summery vibe, like a fresh summery vibe. So you guys, this blush is just amazing. So pigmented, very nice color, like a terracotta kind of like shade. Really light, really nice. I love it. I love all the products. I will see you all next time in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what other looks you want me to try, any other things you guys want to talk about. Don't forget that everything will be linked in the description box. So yeah, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.